Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I am not a makeup artist and I'm also a mom, so I like to get ready super quick on those days when I actually do put makeup on. I found this duo and I love it so much. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Liquid Foundation in the creamy beige and the Fit Me Mattifying Primer. Obviously, I start with a nice clean face and then I put on my primer. I put a bit on my cheeks to start and then I do my forehead after. Then I move on to my foundation, which I'm super fancy applying with my fingers because I don't have a brush or a sponge or anything, but it goes on so nice. And I like to finish with a powder just to seal it all in and make it look good for the whole day. And this is your finished product about 1 minute later. It's great. I love how quick and easy it is to get ready with this Maybelline Fit Me Duo and how perfectly it matches my skin and makes it look fresh all day long. And that's my point of view.